Listen up, folks. A SpaceX spacecraft just shook things up in LA County. According to NBC4 News, the Dragon spacecraft re-entered Earth's atmosphere last night, triggering a sonic boom heard across the region. The spacecraft splashed down near Oceanside, off the Southern California coast. SpaceX confirmed the successful landing around 10:44 p.m. Pacific time. The event caused quite a stir, with residents reporting loud booms and shaking. And here's a surprise. Did you know? The Dragon spacecraft is the first commercial spacecraft to deliver cargo to the International Space Station. Comment your opinion. Follow us for more updates. Could you hit the like button?